Imagine yourself in this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: CD player and AM/FM stereo. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.